Hello, welcome to Blazen's Basement Bar. I'm your host, Blazen the Dragon, and we're doing bartending with Blazen. I got a couple drinks for you today. They're gonna be really fun. We're just testing this out to see how it goes. So, before we start, make sure you drink responsibly, be of age in your country or wherever you are, because you know what? We're being good influences here. Before we get started, we have to have good ingredients. So today, ooh, big knife. Today, that was really nice. That rolled right in the spot. So today, the two drinks we're making are both mojitos. We're gonna be doing just a regular mint and lime mojito, with basically just your classic mojito. Let's put the words up here. We'll make it a classic mojito. We're also gonna be making a pomegranate mojito. Those are the two drinks we're making today. So first things first, you gotta make sure you got some mint on hand. We picked these out of our garden. I recommend having fresh mint, but you can get them at the store, just already pre-picked and everything. So we don't have to do anything with these right now, except you gotta make sure you wash them. Make sure they're clean before they go in the drink. Second thing you're gonna need limes. I got 2 limes right here. Just make sure they're nice and right. They don't have to be super big, but I'm gonna show you guys how to cut the limes. Put the mint over there. I like doing my limes in wedges. So you're gonna take a nice paring knife here. Cut it once down the middle. Yeah. You're also gonna cut it down the middle again. And then if you want them as smaller wedges, which I do, you'll cut it down the middle one more time. Woo! Cool. So you got that, and those will also be good as garnishes too. So whatever you want as a garnish, you just put a little cut in the center. So we're gonna put those to the side for now, because we're gonna get started on the drinky. So first we're doing the classic mojito. So get yourself a cup. Usually I like tall glasses, but we got good old pint glasses here. So you're gonna do that. You're gonna take some mint and some limes. Put the limes in first, actually. Yeah. You gotta squeeze it. This is why you like having them as wedges, because you can literally grip them on the sides like this and do that. Just plop it right in. Yeah, just like that. So we're gonna.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Ooh, thanks. But that's how you're supposed to actually do it. Next, you're gonna just take about 2 to 4 mint leaves. Depends how big they are. These are pretty big ones, so I'm only doing 2. Then you're gonna take, and then you're gonna get some white rum. It can be any kind. The kind on hand right now is coconut, but I recommend just doing just regular light rum, unflavored, because you want to get that lime and minty flavor. So you're gonna take that. You can do, I got a 1 ounce jigger right here, but I usually do 1.5. So we're gonna just do that, pour it real good. Boom. So that's 1.5 right there. Then after that, this is the important part to get the flavors all mixed up. Gotta muddle it together. But don't muddle it too much, because it's gonna make everything look nasty. Boom. That smells real good. Minty fresh. Then after that, gotta get yourself some ice cubes. Boom. I washed my hands before this, I promise. Make sure you use little tongs for this, but I don't have any, so I washed my hands. Boom. And then lastly, you need a lemon lime soda. I like doing the lemon lime soda because it brings out that lime flavor more. Whoa! Opened it. Woo! And you just pour that right on top. Mmm. And this is the part where the garnishing comes into play. You remember those limes that we cut earlier? Gonna make sure it's actually cut real good. Boom. Boom. And there you have it. Got your classic mint mojito. They're real good. You want the drinky? You want? Okay. There you go. Here's your drinky. You're welcome. How's it taste? How's the mojito taste?
It tastes really good.
Good.
Actually, it really does taste good. The coconut's awesome.
Oh, it is? Okay, sweet. Coconut mojito.
Woo!
Woo! That's a good one. Sweet. Basically, to change the flavor on that one, you just gotta do different light rums. That's how you can easily change the flavor. That's why that's a classic coconut mojito.
But Blazen,
Yeah.
what if I don't want a normal mojito?
If you don't want a normal mojito?
Yeah, I've had a mojito and it was okay, but I think it could be better.
You know what?
What?
I've got a better mojito for you.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah. What kind?
It's called the pomegranate mojito. It's good.
Oh.
You know what? I'm gonna show you how to make it today.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna go back. Square one. Get yourself a glass. Second, gonna get your limes again. This time we're gonna actually juice them like that. Boom. Two limes. Make sure you juice them. Then you're gonna get yourself 2 mints again. Make sure you wash them. Then this is the part that's different. You got 2 liquors. Gonna use pomegranate liqueur. The one I like to use is Pama. And then you're also gonna use light rum. Like I said, today we got coconut, so it's gonna be real good. So for this one, put that there. You're gonna take 1 ounce pomegranate liqueur, dump that in, and then 1 ounce of light rum. Then we're gonna muddle it again. Make it real. Ooh, it's making that gross sloshy sound.
I hate it.
Good. Get that all muddled up. Get yourself some ice cubes. I was just bringing this over. It's fine. I wiped the counter. Yeah, there was nothing on that. Yeah! You top it off with lemon lime Sprite again. Or soda, not Sprite. You know what I mean. Cool! Great! And then, this time we're gonna make it real nice and special. If you got extra mint, you can use that easily as a garnish. Makes it look very pretty. Whew. And there you have it. That's your pomegranate mojito. This is my favorite mojito. It's real good. It's really refreshing. And, you know, I recommend it. It's very good. You should try it. Yeah, real good. You want this? Okay. How is that?
That one's good. I like that one better. It's more different than the first one.
Yeah. Cool. Well, that's there you have it. There's your 2 mojitos for today. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you drink this and think it's great. If you have any other questions about it, feel free to send a comment down below. I'll see if I can answer them. But these are my 2 favorite mojitos to drink for the summertime. And you know what? I hope you drink responsibly with these because they're real good. But that's all we have time for today, everyone. Drink responsibly and help someone smile today. Bye!
You do the ending again?
Oh.
Let's do like, I'm releasing the dragon.
Oh, yeah.
I'm releasing the dragon. Drink responsibly and help someone smile.
Okay. I'm Blazen the Dragon. Drink responsibly, and like we always say, help someone smile today. Bye! You know, I like these. They're real good. I think I might take this one and just go. I'm gonna go drink this. You know what? Take them both. Have a good summer.